Hello class, we're now beginning our second week. We will be covering two chapters. Chapter 11, Accounting for Current Liabilities, and Chapter 12, Accounting for Partnership Transactions. Chapter 11 deliverables should be completed by Thursday, while Chapter 12 are due by Sunday. Our first midterm exam will also be completed this week, and also by Sunday at midnight. As you already know, Midterm 1 covers Chapter 10 through 12. You can enter the exam anytime between its opening on Friday morning at 6 a.m. and its closing on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Obviously, make sure to enter the exam with enough time to complete and submit by the deadline. More detail on the exam and the related practice exam in the Midterm 1 info announcement. Let's begin with Chapter 11's LOs, or Learning Objectives. This chapter includes 5 LOs that discuss current liabilities. LO 1 covers some of the same accounts and transactions that you already learned about in your Accounting 1A course, including AP or accounts payable, sales tax payable, and unearned revenue. You may want to return to Chapter 3 and Chapter 6 in our textbook if you feel you need a refresher. This LO also includes a new account, current portion of a long-term notes payable. Now, LO 2 moves on to payroll, including how to compute and account for gross pay, net pay, and other selected deductions for both the employee, we call that payroll expenses, and for the employer, payroll tax expenses. LO 3 covers current liabilities for which amounts need to be estimated, and then LO 4 discusses what are referred to as contingent liabilities. Regarding Chapter 12, LO 1 covers the partnership form of business and some of its basic types. LO 2 through LO 6 covers the full life cycle and related transactions of a partnership. The formation of a partnership in LO 2, the allocation of profit and losses in LO 3, the admission of new partners in LO 4, the withdrawal of a partner in LO 5, and finally, in LO 6, the liquidation of a partnership. As usual, both Chapter 11 and 12 overview pages include several other tabs that provide the timing of the respective deliverables, some resources that include answer keys, handouts, and presentations to help you supplement your reading, and my suggested approach to each chapter. As before, Tab 5 suggests an approach to your reading and homework practice. There are several resources, as mentioned before, that you can opt to use to learn the material. Only you know what is your preferred way to plan and execute and to deliver the assignments by the deadlines. Remember that the official class runs from Monday through Friday at noon, but you can still work and submit assignments until usually the end of the weekend. However, I will suggest to front load your work to allow me to help you by responding to your questions in the discussion threads. As you know, the cutoff time for my response is Friday at noon. And again, tab 6 is a blank space that I may or may not use. Disregard it for now, unless I announce otherwise. Thanks very much for taking the time to view this week's overview that covers Chapter 11 and 12. Any questions, as always, post them in my virtual office hours discussion under Module 0. Take care.